Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an artist profile on Spotify. Well, the first thing you need to do here is to open up your favorite browser and type in the URL box of course, Spotify artist, and hit on enter. And once you're in here, you're going to want to click on the first link right here, which is from Spotify itself, artists.spotify.com. Click on that. And then what you're going to do next is just click on the get access button right here. Click on that. It will ask you first, tell us who you are. If you're an artist or manager, just go ahead and click on it. If you are a label team leader, just go ahead and click on this one. If you are in a team already, just go ahead and ask an admin for access. If you're not sure which to choose, just go ahead and click on this one. All right, so go ahead and click on artist or manager as the title suggests, how to create an artist profile. All right, click this one. In here, you're going to want to log in, of course. I'm going to go ahead and hit on Google. Now, once logged in, it says here, if you already have music on Spotify, you can get access to stats, pitch tracks, to our editors, and more. If your music is not live yet, you can go ahead and click on this one. If you are already a part of a label team, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this one as well. So just for now, I'm going to go ahead and select music not yet live on Spotify, and it will redirect you to another page. All right. As you can see here, distributors handle music distribution and pay streaming royalties. Work with a distributor to get music on Spotify. And you're going to want to click on see our preferred and recommended distributors right here. Click on that, it will open up another web page. And as you can see here are some famous distributors: DistroKid, CD Baby, MB Bands, Record Union, and more. And for example, here we're going to select on CD Baby. Just go ahead and click on visit. All right. And you're going to want to go ahead and click on get started and follow the set of instructions from CD Baby. All right. For example, here are the listed steps. Prepare for your Spotify release. You're going to want to go ahead and click on this one to follow the instructions. All right. And here are the more steps. Now, let's say, for example, that you got accepted by a CD Baby. You're going to want to go ahead and go back to this artist.spotify.com. Then you're going to want to hit on continue. Again, continue. Now, once you're in this page, let's say, for example, that CD Baby made your music live. You're going to want to open up Spotify, spotify.com, all right, and look for your music. Like, for example, here, this is your music. Just for example, all right, you're going to want to right click on it or tap and hold it on your phone, then hit on share, copy song link. From here, you're going to want to go back to spotifyartist.com or artist.spotify.com and just paste it in here. All right, paste, and you'll be able to see a bunch of options right here. Just select whichever one is intended to be selected. All right, and that's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.